everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, guys, kung businessman ka at investor ka, perfect na perfect to para sa inyo. Guys, meron tayo dito 115 square meter lot. Natatayuan natin ito, ang ating commercial building. Ayan. So, all-in package siya. Kasama yung building permit, transfer title, tapos labor materials. Will build you a 2-story building, guys, at the center of Tagaytay. Ang landmark Metro Gate Tagaytay nandiyan sa tabi. Ito mismo yung 111, and ito yung gagawin nating design of our commercial building. Ayan. Tapos guys, meron na kayong mga katabi. Ito, yung kapitbahay nyo dito. Ito siya. Ayan, may commercial building siya. So kami, ang gagawin naman namin 2-story na house na commercial. So pwede dito na parking din sa harap. Tapos yung sa likod is gagawin namin siya na yung mas maganda yung sa taas residential, yung baba commercial. So at the same time, pwede mo siyang gawing for business, pwede din naman na retirement or rest house. So ito yung lot. Hanggang simula siya dyan. So corner lot ka. Ayan. So yan guys, may mga laundry shop dyan. Ito, Tagaytay Bypass Road na yan ha. Okay. So pag ganito yung lote, 115. Ayan. Simula doon hanggang doon sa may firewall nitong kabilang building. Tapos paikot yan. Okay, yan doon yung Metro Gate. Mamaya ikot ko kayo. Tapos at the end of the video, I will show you the drone shot from the Tagaytay Bypass Road going to this one, going to Aguinaldo Highway. So hanggang dito yung lote. So ito, meron ditong subdivision din. So the lot is up to here. Yan dyan, nandyan yung siya. So hanggang doon sa may firewall sa may kabilang building. Ayan. So yan. Ang plano namin is yung kalahati is for parking area. Tapos yung sa baba is for commercial. Yung second floor is for residential. Para pwede nyo siyang tiran at the same time, pwede nyo rin siya for business. So for all in to guys, for only 10 million, yung terms dito is yung down payment is only 4 million. We will have a contract to sell. Tapos 5 months po natin gagawin yung ating property. So every month you will be seeing the progress. So 1 month, every month yung ibabayad nyo para tuloy-tuloy din yung progress natin. Tapos after that, pag 5th month turnover, ipapay nyo yung 1 million. So total nyo na nabayad is 9 million. Yung 1 million remaining is tsaka nyo babayaran pag tinransfer na namin sa inyo yung title ng ating property and the building. So all in all, total niya is only 10 million. But guys, yung potential of this one, may ginagawa dito, dinadevelop na napakalaking project din. You are here at the heart of Tagaytay. This is a very quiet compound. And yan guys, oh. So napakaganda. Tas strategic yung location. Ayan. So yan. And lahat ng mga papers is clean title. Tapos pwede nyo rin siya na yun, kami na nga rin yung mag-apply sa building permit, Meralco water. So yan. Tapos dito, ito naman yung sa Metro Gate. Search nyo Metro Gate Tagaytay. Ayan yung landmark. Okay. Ito siya. Ayan. Or yan, Adrianos. Makikita nyo yan. Ayan guys. So Adrianos. Okay. So ito yung Metro Gate. Ayan, Tagaytay Manors. So yan yung entrance. So andun lang yung property. Ayan. So mapaganda. Perfect na perfect. Guys, dito, ang housing lot dito is nasa 15 to 25 million. Inside subdivision. But ito guys, commercial building yung gagawin natin. Just for 10 million guys. The lot itself pa lang is very, very, very mahal na po siya guys. How much more kung matayuan na natin siya nung commercial building natin. Na yung sa baba is for commercial with parking area. Tapos sa second floor is meron ka pang tirahan. So rest house and for business, retirement. Approved na approved. Very cold weather. So yun. All in yan guys, kami na bahala. Meron kaming architect, meron tayong civil engineer. Tapos yung mga sa may what do you call this? Plan is we could adjust it to you. So depending on your needs, no? Basta kung meron ka mga i-excess sa planner namin, is expect na meron ding magiging changes on to the price, no? Kasi ganyan naman talaga anywhere. So yan yung Adrianos. Then siya. So ito may mga rin to swimming pool. Ito events place, yan. So pwede nyo siya i-search sa Google Maps and then makikita mo na to, yung 115. And then ito guys, magkakaroon dyan ng malaking subdivision project. And ikaw mismo magkakaroon ka dyan. Pwede mo to yan, coffee shop, it's up to you. But I assure you, yung pera mo dito na 10 million, 5 years from now guys, baka nasa mga 16 million na siya. And hindi yan joke guys. Totoo po yan. You could check the zonal value here in Tagaytay. And you will know it's very true. So yun guys, for now naman, ipapalipad ko yung drone natin from this property going to Tagaytay Bypass Road, the highway. Tapos yung aerial shot niya, kung gaano kaganda yung community. So yeah, I will show it to you in this one. So yun guys, nakita nyo naman yung drone shot ng ating property. So yan siya guys, napakaganda. So ang maganda nito, kapag meron kayong business here, sementohan kasi namin yan. Tapos pwede rin sila mag-park dito. So kasya dito kahit 6 masasakyan sa business nyo. Actually ito, I like this one. I don't wanna sell this, but you know, kasi marami sa ating mga naghahanap ng yung mga businessman na gusto nila na pwede sila rito mag-retire at the same time it could give them a passive income. Pwede ka dito magtayo nung ngayon ganyan, no? As if for rent mo. So it's up to you. So many possibilities. So many possibilities at the same time very cold weather. And ayan, may dine-develop sa harap. So for sure guys, magiging maraming tao dito sa area na ito. So yun lang guys, nakita nyo naman yung drone shot ng ating property, no? So yun, if you're interested, no, message mo lang ako dyan yung Viber WhatsApp ko. So I hope na nagustuhan nyo yung ating property tour. Actually gusto ko pa ipat ko sa likod, so para makita nyo din na this one, wala kayong problema sa kuryente and water. Kasi andyan lang yung Meralco. Ayan. Ayan, meron dyan linya ng water. Ayan, tapos ito yung sa kuryente. Tapos nandito yung linya nyo. Ayan. So mapakaganda guys, no? Ayan, no? Pag tinignan mo dito, akitin natin yung lote. Ito yung lot guys. Ayan, meron siyang lote pa sa likod. Ayan, pero ito lot itself, hanggang dyan pa yung inyong property. Tapos ito, dito natin ilalagay yung napakaganda nating 2-story building. So yan guys, ang down payment is only 4 million. Tapos yan, sisimulan na natin siya, 5 months natin siya gagawin. Tapos every month mag-pay kayo 1 million. Tapos 4th month, 5th month, turn over na natin sa inyo. Tapos pay nyo na yung 1 million. Tapos deed of sale signing na tayo, kasi kailangan natin ng deed of sale para matransfer naman sa inyo yung title. So pag 9 million na deed of sale, yung 1 million remaining sa 10 million, tsaka nyo babayaran pag na-transfer na sa inyo yung title. So yun guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. Hope that you like this one. I assure you it's a very good investment. I hope to see you soon and ciao, bye bye.